How to have your iPhone or iPad read text to you. Open Settings on your phone. You want to scroll down and tap on Accessibility. As soon as you do that, you'll enter to this page. Now you want to tap on Spoken Content. You'll enter to this page. Now in the first, you can see Speak selection. You just want to enable that. By doing that, you'll be able to make your iPhone or iPad read text to you. You can also manage the speed of reading. Now to check if it works, you're gonna go back and open any of the browser or anything that includes text. So here you need to select the text. As soon as you select, you'll get these options and you'll have this option as speak. While you'll also have the option pause after tapping on speak. So it's pretty simple. You just want to select the text that you want to make your iPhone or iPad read, and that is how it's done. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.